It's okay. She's in there. She's taking a rest. She goes in there sometimes to take a rest. She's coming out, though. She's coming out. Are you all rested up, Emma? I've heard that cats, they rest for 13 hours, 13 or 14 hours per day. Meow. That's a lot of rest. Oh, she's coming after you. Oh, no, she's not. I thought she was, but she's not. One step over the other. Oh. What are you going to do, Emma? Are you going to go after her? Are you going to go after her? Oh, looks like she is. Is she going to do one of her famous bitch slaps? One of her favorite bitch slaps? Or dog slap, I should say, because she's always slapping you, but I don't think she's doing it today. I think she's just relaxing. She's just gonna relax and do her kitty cat yoga pose. Hiding. He's hiding.